Um, you guys, this is Niger Pride Crazy Tips, and you're welcome to today's tutorial. And here we talk about how to make money online. And I will go out there and watch things. If it's something that works for me, then I'll share the update here. You guys will also watch and then follow up. And today I'm just trying to use this opportunity to introduce this app for you guys to grab. Okay, here is this app known as superex. You can see it here. It has been long that superex started, but it was not launched on, or like it's not live. Are you getting it now? So, and this app was, I think it was developed over 3 years ago. Okay, so but they said that they're going to launch this app, this wallet on this 2022. Okay, so but now, you know, we have noticed that they are going to launch this app in 3 days to come. Now in 3 days to come, you can see it. They say 3 days left. Okay, let me go back there. Say 3 days left right now, and you can see it here. It is written there. 3 days now to go. You can see here. Okay, now what I'm just trying to tell you guys right now is that you should go to this video description and get your own. Sign up immediately. You can see I have up to $30 here now. Okay, go down there now, sign up immediately. Then once you sign up, then you can go to your home page and then use this referral. Sorry, use this you can see this referral here. Once you click on the referral, you're going to get your referral code and then start sharing it to people for them to register. This is the one that you're going to copy. Then each referral you make, you're going to get 30% of I mean they're going to give you $10. Okay, so try to do this immediately, because after today, tomorrow is not going to be working again. You can go, all this referral stuff is going to go down, like it's not going to be that active anymore. Okay, so try and do something about it so we can make this money together. You guys are my guys right here. Okay, anything I see that is going to work very well, I do share the update here. So try and do what you can do now. Just go to this video's description and get the link immediately. Sign up immediately and then start referring people before the 3 days comes. Okay, there is nothing. It's not going to take you anything. Just sign up, download the app, and then watch your earnings there. Okay, and then refer people. It's just 2 3 days to come now, then you're going to see everything I'm talking about here. Try and do that as much as possible right now. Okay, so once you register with that link, then they're going to give you $9 free. Okay, but if you just go straight, you just go and download the app and then sign up, they're not going to give you anything. So it's very nice you use the link at the video description. Try to do that immediately. Then we move to the next video, which we are going to be working on how to develop mobile app to make money with our ad mobile account. And I'm also going to show you any proof of my ad mobile account. All right, and I'm also going to show you how you can create your apps, and it's going to go well for you. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and do well to do what's the needful. Thank you.